Hello, welcome back to another video. In this video, welcome if you're new to the channel. Hello. We're going to be doing a fuel filter on a BMW E92. Now they're fairly similar across the ranges, and E90, E92 they should be about the same. It's fairly straightforward, so let's get on with that. So to remove this fuel filter, there is a flathead screw here, or I think it's a 7 or an 8mm socket. There is a clip here, but you can just pull this straight out. You can lever it with a screwdriver like now, or pull it straight out with some pliers. This is a 13mm socket to remove this butt, and that Torx screw there. So we're going to start off by removing this pipe. You should always compare the parts of fuel filters. There are two types of filter for this car. There is one at 251mm for pre-2010, and there is also another fuel filter which is 261mm for post or after 2010. I'm starting by pulling the pin. There it is. I'm just going to slacken everything off right now, all the bolts, screws, all the fixings. When you pull the pipe off, it's highly advisable that you bung it with a screw, a bolt, whatever, a bung. I'd recommend you stop letting the fuel leak out, and then drain the filter into a suitable container. I would also advise, when working with fuel, to wear gloves and goggles or some sort of eye protection. It's not very nice getting fuel in the eyes. So we're just going to remove the bracket and from the old filter now, removing the Torx screw, and you can then get it slid onto our new fuel filter. And we're ready now to install the filter. There's an arrow here facing forwards towards the engine, dominating the flow, but on the BMW it's really simple because you can only go on one way, unlike most fuel filters. So just screw this on now, get this attached first. Like I say, we should have bunged that pipe, we should have blocked fuel from coming out, but we live and learn. And essentially that is the new fuel filter all back in place. Just needs securing to the car, which we're doing now. I'm squeezing the bracket together here whilst threading the bolt through, and then I'm going to attach it to the car. but I'm not going to fully tighten it down, as the Torx bolt screw needs to go in first before fully tightening this down. And in with the Torx bolt now before fully tightening down the clamp. Once tightening it down, just double check everything, make sure it's secure, make sure it's happy with the placement, make sure the filter's happy where it is, there's no extra tension or anything on the filter. Just make sure it's how it should be. And then in with our locking pin, it just simply pushes in. There's 2 grooves in the filter either side, just push it in and it locks into place.
Well, that is the fuel filter all replaced now. I hope it helps. If it helped, give it a like, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.